Guys, it is May. That means it's time to clean out the shop, do a spring cleaning, and I came across some stuff that we've been sitting on for a long time, and I decided it's time to blow it out. So I got a lot of turbos in front of me. Some are new, some are old. Let me tell you about them. Guys, this is our VG263. This is an awesome turbocharger. I've had great success with it. It's working amazing. This is perfect, except when we machine these, we put our logo backwards. Our machinist took the logo and flipped it backwards. So this is a great turbo, but the logo is engraved wrong on the cover, so I haven't sold them. So anyway, I'm going to offer them at a great deal to somebody who wants a great turbo. No different from our other ones, just has a little bit of a backwards logo, so there's some special deals there. This is the Aggressor 60-9. This is a great turbo. The only difference is the compressor wheel. This is an early version. I got a bunch of compressor wheels, did some testing, and I kind of like the other one a little better. Not a lot, just a little. And so I have a couple of these laying around that I've kind of had put together for a while, and rather than take them apart, I'm just going to sell them. So I've got a bunch of these laying around, kind of while supplies last. And we're talking, these turbos are going to be cheaper than you'll ever see a similar turbo from us ever. And this is our Aggressor 62-64. Now typically the 62 compressor wheel, we put it with a 67 turbine wheel. You don't have to, they work really well, but normally we do 67. We did a batch of these for testing, and they were amazing. But the 62, 67 was maybe a touch better. I'm talking hairline difference here, just nothing. So the 62-64, this is a great turbo. And yeah, we're gonna sell these out while supplies last. It's gonna be good. So in May, these are gonna be great deals. Go to the homepage, what's on sale, or turbos, or they'll put something on there that's gonna show you these turbos are on sale. It's gonna be awesome. Also, I wanted to introduce some new turbos today. This is stuff we've been working on quite a long time. If you follow the channel, you've heard Will and I talk a fair bit about turbos and different things. We've mentioned EcoBoost, Ford EcoBoost many times in the past year or so. We became interested in them because, well, they have turbos. They have turbos that can be awesome, right? So we decided to make our own version of Ford EcoBoost turbos. We have them for the model years 13 to 16 right here, and 17 to 20 right here. So the difference is obviously the electronic wastegate versus a standard wastegate. Other than that, they're the same. We have a stage 1 and a stage 2. Old and new, they're the same. So stage 1's a 42 millimeter compressor wheel on both the old and the new. And stage 2 is a 46 millimeter compressor wheel on the 13 to 16, also the 17 to 20. Those are pretty standard for the industry, really good stuff, and but definitely a big power upgrade. The stage 1 I like a lot because you can literally put it in your truck without changing the tune. I've been driving this around on a little EcoBoost that I have, and it's been great. I love diesels. This is not me giving up on diesel. Don't get me wrong, guys. I'm diesel through and through. But I also know diesel trucks are very large, and sometimes it's nice to run around in something smaller, and sometimes a little half-ton truck fits that bill. So I know a lot of you, like me, probably have a big diesel truck and also have other smaller vehicles depending on what you're doing. So I have this EcoBoost, and so does Will, and we kind of want to make them fast. So we've been running these and these for quite a while now, and they've been great. So anyway, guys, these are on the website now. They're very affordable. I'm surprised how expensive some EcoBoost turbos are. These are actually quite affordable comparatively. Maybe it's just a different market. I don't understand. The cost to make these is not like different than these. I don't know why they're so expensive, but anyway, I wanted to offer a good affordable turbo for you guys to put on your little EcoBoost trucks out there. And we have them at PowerGym.com, so go check them out and save some money on these turbos. Like I say, this is a perfect turbo, just like our other ones, just has the thing machined backwards. This has a different compressor wheel. It works amazing. And this one has a different turbine wheel, also works amazing. These aren't the ones that made the cut for our permanent line, but they're great. And while supplies last, put them in your truck, save some money, and yeah, you'll have to be really happy with these turbos. So anyway, guys, that's happening here in May. New EcoBoost turbos from 13 to 2020. We have turbos for all those model years. These actually work on some other trucks as well, or Navigators and Expeditions, whatever. They're quite a bit of vehicles these turbos fit, so maybe that would help you as well. When we were installing these turbos on our truck, I found it difficult to get all the parts and pieces I needed, and so we decided to include everything you'd need to install these on your vehicles. It's a bit of a chore to put a turbo on an EcoBoost. I'm not going to lie to you guys, it does kind of suck. Inline 6s are really nice to work on compared to V anything, and these are no exception. But having all the parts makes a big difference. So these little studs here we have, those get stuck really bad and they're very hard to get out, so we ended up just cutting some of those out, replaced with new studs. So we have new studs for your turbo, exhaust flange, new gaskets. Any of the parts you're going to need to replace with your turbo comes with the kit, so you can swap your turbo in your garage, not to run to the store or try to find parts and have your truck down for a week while you're trying to source an O-ring or a washer or something like that. We have it all here. So Anyway, guys, check it out, powergym.com. And yeah, we'll see you next time.